In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy variety of items from different supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agents. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial and see step by step on how to buy variety from different store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to shop variety on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my 1688 shopping app right here. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you search for the item and make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to source for an item or how you can add the item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video step by step on how to add an item to cart and how you source for an item. After you have successfully add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Then right here, all the item you have added to your cart is going to be found right here. So I'm going to purchase this one right here. So for you to purchase any of the item, what you want to do is to make sure you just click on here and click on here to select each of the items. So I'm going to purchase this. I'm going to purchase this. Then I will scroll down. There is one more I want to purchase right here. So I'm going to purchase this. So I'm going to purchase from different 3 suppliers. After you have successfully select all the item, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. When you get it to your checkout, you can as well check the preview of the item that you are going to purchase. At this point here, I'm paying the sum of 151.50 yuan to purchase all this variety on 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue. And I click on here to confirm. Then I enter my payment password. Boom. So it's as simple as that. So you can see we are able to purchase from different 3 suppliers at amount of this. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to visit my profile, I need to make sure I click on here. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the 3 items right here, 1, 2, 3. So this is how to purchase variety on 1688 import from China to whatever country of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business, you'll get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent or a procurement coach, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.